GD Cairde agus fáilte romh a rís ag féile Earraigh mhairfidh léine online. Ceacht a ceacht. Ceacht a ceacht. Obair. Work. Could you an obair a tugged? What is the work that you have? What do you work at? Could you an obair a ta agat? Could you an obair a tugged? Could you an obair a tugged? Jen obair a tugged? Es moonchorma. Es moonchorma. I'm a teacher. Or pa me am a wooncher. Pa me am a wooncher. I am a teacher. Es brigadier me. Brigadier. I'm a bricky. Es brigadier me. Es bonaldra me. Bonaldra. A nurse. Es bonaldra me. Es shoppador me. Es shoppador me. Ta shoppa ugam. So I'm a shopkeeper. Ta shoppa ugam. I have a shop. Es chomani taxi me. Es chomani taxi me. Or ta me am a homani taxi. I'm a taxi driver. Ta me am a wanaltra. Ta me am a wanaltra. I'm a nurse. Ta me am a doctor. I'm a doctor. Ta me am a glíchar. 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 Ta me am a glíchar. I'm a solicitor. Ta me am a glíchar. Níl obair ar bí agam. Níl obair ar bí agam. I don't have any work. Sanam alahar at present. Sanam alahar. Sanam alahar. Níl obair ar bí agam. So I don't have any work at present. Níl obair ar bí agam. Sanam alahar. Ta me G-osti. G-osti. Ta me G-osti. Ta me G-osti. I'm unemployed. So, do you know a tugged? Oh, it's moonchor me. What do you work at? I'm a teacher. Do you know a tugged? Ta me am a wanaltra. Ta me am a wanaltra. Ta me am a rochtwer. Or, is wanaltra me? Is doctor me? Wanaltra, nurse. Doctor, doctor. Chomoni taxi. Chomoni bus. Chomoni tarakora. Tractor driver. Chomani lorry. Agus moonchor scala. Moonchor scala. A school teacher. So, sin ceacht a ceacht. That's lesson 4. Slán agus beannacht.